So the Gardein Beefless Burger is a soy-based and vital wheat gluten-based burger. It has some barley extract, yeast extract, onion powder, garlic powder. Overall, it is definitely a tasty, well-formed burger patty.
So as you can see, each individual burger patty is pretty good size. However, if you're really looking to make some like a big burger, you want something to really show off the actual burger patty, then the great thing about these burgers is if you just let them thaw, you can press two patties together, squish them into a ball, and then just kind of remold them into a burger patty, and you just get this, kind of jumbo size burger. So when it comes to the Chipotle Black Bean burgers, the one thing that I'll mention right off the top is that there's no vital wheat gluten. These burgers use, of course, black bean, but it also uses some brown rice. It uses some methyl cellulose to kind of keep everything together, and some other great flavors like bell peppers, tomato paste, garlic powder, onion powder, some corn, chipotle peppers, and this burger also uses soy. Now, just like the beefless burger, this Chipotle Black Bean burger as well is very easy to work with and remold. The individual patty is a good size, so you can put two patties together and make one larger burger. Another great thing about the Gardein burgers is that they're very easy to work with and cook off. So I actually like putting them in the air fryer, setting that up and letting it cook. It gets kind of crispy on the outside, moist and delicious on the inside, really maximizes the flavor, and all around makes a great burger. So there you are, everyone. You can see why Gardein burger patties are really my go-to burger patties to use in all my recipes, but even day to day. If I'm gonna have a burger, oftentimes I will go with Gardein. I don't typically push two patties together when I'm just making some burgers, enjoying my day, because I find I'll just make two simple burgers with two patties and it is more than enough. It's loaded with protein. The beefless burgers have 15 grams of protein on one patty. The black bean ones has about 5. But again, you're looking at some delicious burgers. And you can also put them together and form them into one larger burger. You could even put 3-4 patties together, because the way they are created, they're very easy to combine into larger sizes, however you want to get and work with. But the texture is fantastic, especially if you air fry it. Get that crunchy on the outside, you get that soft and moist on the inside, but you get a little bit of a pull, but nothing too much when you're having that plant-based meat. It's great flavor, the spices that it comes with and everything, it's fantastic. You still want to add a little bit of salt and pepper or whatever you like to traditionally season your burger patties with. But all around, you can't go wrong with the Gardein burger patties.